Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Bristol-Myers Squibb shares, beginner guide step by step clearly. Research Bristol-Myers Squibb to understand its business model and product range. Visit their official website to access investor relations resources. Review recent news articles and reports to gather insights into the company's performance. Analyze the company's financial statements, focusing on revenue, earnings, and growth projections. Familiarize yourself with stock market terminology to better understand investing. Open a brokerage account if you do not already have one. Compare different brokerage platforms to find one that suits your needs. Fund your brokerage account by linking a bank account and transferring funds. Determine how much you want to invest in Bristol-Myers Squibb shares. Search for the stock ticker symbol, which is Bristol-Myers Squibb. Look at the current stock price and evaluate whether it fits your investment. Consider using tools for technical analysis to assess stock trends. Decide on the number of shares to purchase based on your budget and risk tolerance. Place a market order to buy shares at the current market price. Alternatively, consider a limit order if you want to set a particular price for your shares. Once your purchase is complete, monitor your investment regularly. Stay updated on Bristol-Myers Squibb's performance and market conditions. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Be prepared to hold your investment for the long term, as this often leads to better returns. Consider dividend reinvestment options if available to maximize your investment. Keep track of any tax implications associated with your investment. Consult with a financial advisor if you need personalized guidance on your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.